So update guys, I'm in the hospital because I fell down at work. I collapsed. So yeah, so 2 days ago I almost died. My brother saved my life. So yeah, so they're gonna do an x-ray on my chest to make sure I'm okay. My glasses are broken, as you guys can see. I no longer have my glasses. Here's my brother. Here's my mom.
Hey, how are you?
You have navy.
So yeah, they're gonna do an x-ray on my chest to make sure I'm okay. And then I'm gonna go home. And tomorrow I'm going to work, so yeah. Oh, I need money, Mom.
You see what you mean? You're playing the ass.
Okay.
But what do you guys think? The man is sick and the man wants to go to work. Tell me if that makes any sense to any of you. Tell me what's your opinion on the comments. Write down what you have to say.
I would take another date for us.
Like he thinks he's just playing around. The doctor says they're keeping him overnight, but he says he's gonna ask the doctor to go to the gym.
You said you're changing things?
I know you totally understand me. I want to see your comments on the bottom. Come on now.
I'm not that popular, no one's gonna comment.
Oh, she's saying on video?
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah, I got you going, but you gotta smarten up.
My brother's weak as fuck right now.
He's calling me weak, but he can't even pick me up still. That's crazy.
Stop. What kind of shirt you want? I'm trying to order.
Fuck!
You're in the hospital.
We're playing.
No, you don't. You're in the hospital. What is wrong with you?
Fuck!
Alex, you're in the hospital. Oh, myself. Stop it. Brandon.
Okay, I'll stop.
I don't understand.
Yo, they're lazy as that.
Don't do it again, Brandon. Stop it. Don't do it again, please, Alex. It's not funny. I'm walking up to the fucking hospital. You're very fucking embarrassing. You piss me off. Stop it, Brandon.